Hi everyone, how are you? I'm Rajan Chaudhary from Manzil Institute. Today I will talk about most affordable countries to study abroad. There are basically two prime factors that define the most affordable country for any parent or any student. The first being the amount of money they would have to spend on tuition fees, and the second, the living cost in the country. These two aspects are closely governed by several features that directly influence living cost and tuition fees tuition fees of the students. I will talk about tuition fees. The tuition fee varies according to the different universities, different courses, and different cities within a country. While enrolling in certain colleges would require you to apply for an education loan, others would merely burn a hole in your pocket. Undergraduate courses, which are for a longer duration, is going to cost students more than the usual 1 2 years of the postgraduate study. However, the tuition fee is not to be taken as a yardstick for the quality of education being provided in the institution. Moreover, tuition fees for government funded institutions are much lesser than private universities. There are a number of scholarships and grants available for students to apply, which would significantly reduce their anything studies in expenses. If I talk about living cost, on average, a student spends approximately $10,000 to $12,000 per year on living expenses. But this amount entirely depends on the location where a student inhabits. If a student decides to reside in a metropolitan city, he would be spending more than a student who opts for a hostel or suburban accommodation. The living expenses generally include any kind of accommodation like costs, like rooms, like boardings, foods, travels, textbooks, weather appropriate clothings, and entertainment expenses as well. If I talk about other expenses that are taken into consideration under living expenses include travel expenses between India and the country of choice during vacation time, large purchases, all depends upon you, such as PC, such as furniture, or even a rental car, medical expenses not covered by health insurance, for example, dental care, eye care, cosmetic treatments, social outings, weekends, and personal and variable expenses. So, keeping these factors in mind, we have gathered an all inclusive average living expenses index for students wanting to travel abroad. Thank you so much.